My name is Roger Calderon. I am the shop foreman for Five Star Ford in North Richland Hills, and I'm here today to explain to you how recalls work. Well, if a customer believes that they have a recall, there are different ways you can look it up, but you can always call us. We can look up with your VIN number, see what active recalls you have going on right now. And if those recalls are something that we can do, at that point, you schedule a service appointment. And we also offer mobile service too as well. So if certain recalls, we can go to you and do the recalls at your convenience. But let's just say that you have to bring it into the shop for whatever reason, and we want to do the recalls there while it's happening. At that point, you bring it into service drive, you greet your advisor, they already know what to do. They will actually write up a repair order for your vehicle with all the recall information on it, and it goes into the shop. At that point, the technician will bring it in. We'll go over the recalls and see what recalls apply to it and perform the recalls free of charge to the customer. In some cases, the recalls can be extensive. Sometimes they're really easy. It just depends. When the vehicle is done by a technician, they put all the stories into the repair order and they turn the keys in and you're ready to pick up your vehicle.